This right here is the most freaking expensive mouse I have ever bought. Let's check it out if it's worth it or not. My hand is on a mouse for at least 6 hours every single day. Wired, wireless, Bluetooth, ergonomic, सब try कर चुका हूँ. I had never, not once, spent more than 600 rupees on a mouse. Then I saw this, the Microsoft Arc mouse. Design देख के मैं रुक ही गया. I thought this has to be a game changer. Then I saw the price and it was a big no. ये almost 10 times expensive था मेरे last mouse से. This thing cost as much as a motherboard, a 2 TB hard drive, a film camera memory card. मैंने इसको कार्ट में ऐड किया, डिलीट किया, फिर ऐड किया, फिर डिलीट किया. And then one fine day I just ordered it. And this is my honest review after using it for a while. Let's start with what they got completely right. The design. ऐसा माउस आपने पहले कभी नहीं देखा होगा. That curved arc shape, the seamless aluminum surface, the way it folds completely flat. It is industrial design done right. You snap it open, it turns on. You fold it flat, it turns off. कोई बटन नहीं, कोई झंझट नहीं. That is clever engineering, not just a gimmick. Bluetooth pairing is instant. No dongle, no receiver to lose. And for travel, bag में डालो और भूल जाओ. Slim, flat, light, it will not poke through your laptop sleeve. अब मैं आता हूँ असली बात पर, क्योंकि जब मैं ये माउस खरीदने का सोच रहा था, इंटरनेट पे किसी ने इसके बारे में ठीक से बात नहीं कर रखी थी. So let me fill that gap. I have already tried ergonomic mouse before this. और सीधा बोलूंगा ergonomic माउस भी उतना हेल्पफुल नहीं लगा एडिटिंग के लिए जितना मैंने एक्सपेक्ट किया था. So then I thought maybe this art will work differently, but it did not. मुझे हमेशा ऐसा फील होता था कि I need something better to perform better, and this mouse gave me that feeling too, just for the wrong reasons. For 6 hours of editing, it's not very comfortable. Then there's the scroll strip, no scroll wheel, just a touch surface on top. देखने में बहुत cool लगता है, but editing में उतना काम का नहीं है. Precise scrolling on a long timeline, frustrating. The physical click of a scroll wheel, the tactical confirmation, you just don't get it here. And left-right click में भी थोड़ा सा पंगा है. Takes a while to adjust, and honestly, I never fully did. So where do I land? सीधा बोलूँगा किसी भी एडिटर को ये माउस मैं तो रिकमेंड नहीं करूँगा. If your hands are on a mouse for hours every day, this is certainly not built for you. But इसको अगर आप कहीं बाहर निकालो, किसी कैफे में या किसी co-working space में, it is that kind of product. Aesthetic, sexy, in a way that makes you want to scroll up and down and left and right for absolutely no reason. Just because the motion feels good. But at the end, सब कुछ इतना खराब नहीं है. The Microsoft Arc mouse is the most expensive mouse I have ever bought. It is also one of the most beautiful objects I own. So if you relate to this review and you think the Microsoft Arc mouse is for you, the link is in the description. Click it and buy it and experience it yourself. Your experience can completely be different from mine. Do you need it? I am not sure. Do you want it? You can buy it, but not from your dad's money. I like to put in my curses to rest on my family tree. Can see growth. They tell me they free, but they work for the man. I can't relate, I did it on my own. Look how we grow out the concrete, 2 rows stuck by the code. I'm trying to take it as high as it goes.